Bitcoin continues to bounce around between two major moving averages. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Bitcoin market has gone back and forth during the course of the trading session on Friday in the early hours as we continue to hang around the $90,000 level. It's probably worth noting that we are hanging around between the 200-day EMA underneath and, of course, the 50-day EMA above. With the market being right between those two, it typically will see a lot of volatility. This makes sense because there's been a lot of questions about the um, United States crypto reserve being formatted and how it's going to come into fruition. However, after the initial bullish surge, it was revealed that the Bitcoin that the United States would store would be seized Bitcoin from drug raids, those types of things. So it doesn't really move the market, it just moves ownership. So with that being said, now we start to focus on the overall economy, whether or not it's strengthening or weakening, whether or not the Federal Reserve might be cutting, and a whole host of other things. Now, I do think that a Bitcoin, or for that matter, crypto winter, but especially Bitcoin, will be a lot different than it's been in the past, mainly due to the fact that there's an ETF out there that institutions are now involved in. At this point, we're at a previous support level. It is offering resistance, and now we're just waiting to see what happens next. I suspect once we break out of the range between these two moving averages, we might have a little bit more clarity as to which direction we go. To the upside, we could go to $100,000 followed by $110,000. On the downside, we could be looking at $75,000 if we break in that direction.